Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid bridges on Waze. If you have zero knowledge about Waze, don't worry. I'll explain everything slowly and clearly so you can easily follow along. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure your location is turned on. Once the app opens, you'll see the map screen. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the search icon. This will open a new page. Now, look for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open Waze settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and tap on navigation. In the navigation section, you'll see different route options. Look for options like avoid toll roads, avoid highways, or avoid ferries. Waze does not always have a direct avoid bridges option in every region. However, many bridges are counted as highways or toll roads, so if you turn on avoid highways and avoid toll roads, Waze will try to give you alternate routes that usually avoid bridges. After turning on these options, go back to the main screen. Now, search for your destination and start navigation. Waze will automatically try to find a route that avoids highways and toll bridges as much as possible. Keep in mind that in some areas, bridges cannot be avoided completely. In that case, Waze will still show the best possible route. That's how you avoid bridges on Waze using the available settings. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Waze. Thanks for watching.